On Mars, sunset flips our intuition. As daylight fades, the sky near the sun glows blue, a sight unlike anything we see on Earth. It's a dusty horizon. The sun, still high, casts an almost ghostly blue halo. It paints the red planet in unexpected hues, a dramatic contrast that begins a new Martian night. On Mars, the thin air is filled with fine iron oxide dust particles. When sunlight passes through this dust, a phenomenon called Mie scattering occurs. The dust particles are just the right size to efficiently scatter shorter, blue wavelengths of light forward, directly into our eyes, especially when we look toward the sun. This is why the sky directly around the setting sun appears to glow blue. The rest of the sky is still a dusty, butterscotch orange. From the surface, it's a different view entirely. We see the ground level perspective. The sky overhead appears orange. Yet, looking directly at the sun, we still catch that unique blue glow, a dramatic contrast. On Earth, our thick atmosphere scatters blue light away, painting our sunsets in brilliant reds and oranges. We're used to this, but on Mars, it's a completely different palette. The red planet offers a cool blue farewell, a reminder of cosmic diversity. As the sun vanishes, the blue light fades, and the red planet returns to its familiar color. A final reddish glow marks the end of the day. Then, a canvas of stars emerges. The mysteries of the universe await.